Hello, this is a quick introduction to our newest project we will call a condo bathroom renovation or condo bathroom project. So we are in a condominium in Ottawa on the 16th floor, and we have just the old vanity toilet which has a back and discharge because we are right on the concrete here. And we have an old tub, steel tub with this, and actually we don't have a suspended ceiling. There's only 2 inches from the drywall to the slab above us to the concrete top, concrete on the bottom. And what we are trying to achieve is obviously new vanity, new lit up mirror. We'll probably get Lisa to help us with some nice mirror from Pearl. We have the obviously new back discharge toilet, and we are taking this tub out, changing the tile, same tile for floor and on the wall, and it will be ideally, if we manage, but there's obviously we don't know because we are again right on the concrete, curbless walk-in shower. So this will be interesting one, quite a challenge because I never been part of anything like this. So stay tuned and follow the project. This will be a good one. Lots of surprises we'll find here, that's for sure. Stay tuned and thank you for watching.